This sign indicates that motor vehicles and motorized bicycles are not allowed to pass. True. Pedestrians and regular bicycles are allowed where this sign is posted. True. Pedestrians are also not allowed to pass where this sign is posted. True. If the signal beside you at an intersection is red, it's alright to assume the signal in front of you is green. False. Do not litter cigarette butts from a moving vehicle. True. The timing of the signal when trying to change lane is about 30 meters before. False. When passing by pedestrians, drivers must leave sufficient space between pedestrians or slow down. True. Cell phones should be turned off or set to drive mode before driving. True. Braking distances increase when road conditions are poor or when the vehicle is heavily loaded. True. When turning right at a busy intersection, pass just inside the center of the intersection. True. This sign indicates crosswalks and bicycle crossing zones. True. When crossing the sidewalk to enter a gas station, stop immediately before entering and confirm safety before entering. True. When attempting to change lanes, you don't have to signal as long as you make sure it's safe to do so. False. Intersections and their vicinity are places where most traffic accidents occur, so use the safest speeds and methods possible. True. If you are traveling at 40 kilometers per hour and approaching a crosswalk and you are not sure if there are people crossing, you still proceed at the same speed. False. A towing license is not required to tow a broken vehicle with a crane. True. The signal to turn left or right should be given 30 meters before the point where the turn is to be made. True. When there is no speed limit indicated by signs or markings on public roads, the maximum speed for ordinary vehicles is 60 kilometers per hour. True. This sign must be placed on both the front and back of the vehicle when a person receiving a provisional license is driving on the road for practice. True. You must sound the car horn where this sign is shown. True. When making a right turn at an intersection, you saw a motor in the oncoming lane, but the motor's speed appeared to be slow, so you continued to make the right turn. False. When passing by pedestrians, you are obligated to slow down, even if there is a safe distance between you and the pedestrian. False. Temporary driver's license is valid for 6 months. True. If a police officer gives you a hand signal with both arms raised horizontally at an intersection, the oncoming vehicle will either turn right or turn left. False. If you are driving in a designated traffic zone and an emergency vehicle approaches, you do not have to yield the right-of-way because you are in the designated traffic zone. False. The front and rear positions of the seat for correct driving posture should be adjusted to a slight bend in the knees when the clutch is depressed. False. This sign indicates that there is a school, kindergarten, nursery school, etc. True. This sign prohibits two-step right turns for motorized bicycles. True. No overtaking or passing is allowed at crosswalks, bicycle crossing zones and 30 meters in front of them. True. The maximum speed for large two-wheeled and standard two-wheeled vehicles on public roads not designated by signs or markings is 60 kilometers per hour. True. You should drive under 10 kilometers per hour where this sign is located. True. Make a habit of checking around the car and confirming its safety before driving it. True. Seatbelts must be worn even in cars with airbags. True. If you are practicing driving a car with a provisional driver's license, you should have someone with you who has second-class or first-class driver's license for you to be allowed to drive. True.